So I did a thing last night. Flights to Amsterdam were $200. So I'm going.
Let's take a ride into the night for fame and money. In we go, take what is old, like Clyde and Bonnie.
It's time to wake up and be awesome. We made it. And then we slept a really long time. Like, I think we lost an entire day of our lives. Yeah, here we go. Welcome to the adventures in Amsterdam. Naturally, because we love boats, the first stop was the National Maritime Museum, and it did not disappoint. Now, along the way, we found this giant anchor, and let's take a step back to a different adventure in which Ben and I were scuba diving in the Dry Tortugas. We found an anchor this size, and we weren't able to take any pictures of it because I didn't have my GoPro underwater. The site we were diving on was an unmarked dive site, but hundreds of years old, lots of growth. We found a pretty cool souvenir under the water. I don't know, like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we just had breakfast. Jet lag is a thing, I guess.
Turn right onto Amsterdam.
Yeah, we're working on our next adventure. I don't know what that's going to be yet, but we're going to be up to no good, I think. No stop to Amsterdam is complete without a trip to the red light district. So we checked out the prostitution museum and the red light district. Unfortunately, pictures are a little frowned upon in that neck of the woods. One of the greatest discoveries of the trip was Amstel Park. It's a giant outdoor park in which people actually hang out in them, unlike here in the US. It was a lovely afternoon spent discovering the park and all the beautiful gardens and hanging out, just enjoying the outdoors. Well, I'm gonna get run over by a bike. Next stop, we're headed out by night on a boat tour to check out the city from a water view. Before we left Amsterdam, we needed to go full tourist and do some of the museums. So we checked out the Van Gogh Museum, the Banksy Museum, and the Botanical Gardens. The Banksy Museum itself could probably get its own edit. It was amazing and just such an inspirational exhibit. I'm glad we went. Over the stream, into the woods, and off we go through the Botanical Gardens. Next stop on our tour, the Torture Museum. Now, a lot of medieval torture devices are stored in this museum, and based on the readings, I'm pretty sure they would have been used on me in the past. Last but not least, we headed over to Amsterdam. It had 365-degree views of Amsterdam and a rooftop bar. So we spent a few hours hanging out, enjoying the views, and getting a real look at what Amsterdam looks like from the top, before catching a train to Rotterdam. See you in the next vlog, so make sure you subscribe, catch the next awesome adventure.